Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to hide an old Amazon orders without deleting them? So in today's small tutorial, we gonna learn on how to archive an order in Amazon Shopping app or website in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So now, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Amazon.com or go open the Amazon Shopping app on your Android or basically iOS. All you're gonna do is sign in using your email address and password. Then tap the menu icon or basically tap on return on orders in the desktop section. So as for now, you will be able to see every order past 3 months or even 2026. You can see buy again if you want to buy an item that you have already bought. You can check the not yet shipped, the digital orders, or even Amazon Pay. So that is the menu icon that take you to your orders. You will be able to see an archive orders option. Just tap on archive order, then confirm. As for some chips, archived orders aren't deleted. You can still find them later under basically archived orders. This is perfect for gifts or keeping your order history clean. So if you are actually telling me or basically asking me on how to send the product all the way to the cart, for example. So we're gonna go back. Let's go back to Amazon here. Then for example, we're gonna go again through the shop gaming. We're gonna go through this gaming laptops. So for example, we wanna add an item to cart. All we're gonna do is tap add to cart here. Then it will be added. You can tap on go to cart automatically to go. Then you can save for later. As you see, save for later. Or delete it from the list if you want to. And that's the main idea here. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.